Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best magnetic blinds is probably one of the most innovative window treatments to hit the market in recent years. They offer a sleek, modern look and are incredibly easy to install, making them a great option for renters and homeowners alike. But are they the right choice for you? In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of magnetic blinds, exploring their features, benefits, and potential drawbacks. Number 5. Achim Morningstar Cordless Mini Blinds, Pearl White. Introducing the Achim Cordless Light Filtering Mini Blinds. These blinds are designed to filter light effectively. They are a safe and stylish choice for any home. These blinds are cordless, making them safe for children and pets. The design eliminates the risk of tangled cords, providing peace of mind. Made from durable vinyl, these blinds resist warping, fading, and sagging. They are built to last, maintaining their appearance over time. Installation is simple with all necessary hardware and instructions included. The hidden mounting brackets allow for versatile installation options, whether inside, outside, or on the ceiling. To adjust the blinds, simply lift or lower the bottom rail. Use the tilt wand to control the amount of light and privacy you desire. Available in 5 colors and multiple drop lengths, you can find the perfect fit for your windows. These blinds offer both functionality and style for any room. What we like. This blind's cordless design is a game changer, especially if you have kids or pets. It eliminates dangling cords, making your home safer. Plus, installation is a breeze with the included hardware and simple instructions. If you are looking for a safe and easy to install window covering, this is a great choice. What people say. Each box was intact, contained the blinds, the instructions, and all the mounting hardware. Installing the blinds was pretty easy. They darkened the room very well, which is what I wanted them for, and I'm thrilled they were available in gray, too. Doesn't show the dust as much as lighter colors and actually works with the room. I can't believe I even noticed that this color works better for the room than another color. Number 4. HOMEIDEAS French Blackout Door Curtain. This curtain panel comes with an adhesive strip for easy installation. You don't need any tools or curtain rods. Just stick the strip on the glass and attach the curtain panel. These curtains are designed to perfectly match your French doors. Made of high-quality polyester, they are soft, wrinkle-resistant, and pleasant to touch. They will bring warmth to your home. The curtains use innovative triple weaving technology to block out 85 to 95% of light. This protects your furniture from UV rays and provides you with privacy. The darker the color, the better the blackout effect. Available in many colors and sizes, these curtains can meet various needs. They can easily blend into any room in your home, such as your bedroom or living room. You can order more if you need more panels. These door curtains are easy to care for. You can machine wash them in cold water on a delicate cycle. Tumble dry them on low and iron them if needed to remove wrinkles. They are not easy to fade. What we like. With its easy hanging design, you can set it up in minutes without any tools. It provides excellent blackout and privacy, perfect for any room. If you value privacy and a quick setup, this curtain is a fantastic option. What people say. Insanely easy to set up and looks very nice when finished. Easy, beautiful, and problem fixer. The fabric is thick enough to block unwanted views yet still lets in a gentle, natural light. Number 3. Lutron Caseta Smart Dimmer Switch Kit. This kit allows you to effortlessly integrate your lights with smart home systems like Alexa, Apple Home, and Google Home. It offers remote control capabilities, letting you manage your lights from anywhere in your home. Included is a Pico remote, which provides wireless control of up to 10 Caseta devices. The remote has a long battery life and works through walls, giving you convenient control throughout your home. This smart dimmer switch can transform multiple lights or fixtures into smart devices. It is a cost-effective solution that lets you keep your existing light bulb styles while enjoying smart lighting features. Manage your lights from anywhere using the Lutron app. The app provides advanced smart features such as scenes, scheduling, and geofencing. You can easily customize your lighting experience. The Caseta Deluxe Dimmer Switch combines functionality with a sleek, modern design. It allows you to fully control your lights, with buttons to adjust the light level. The Caseta Smart Hub operates without Wi-Fi, ensuring fast and reliable smart lighting. This setup won't slow down your other Wi-Fi devices, providing a seamless experience. The kit includes a Lutron Caseta smart hub, 2 dimmer switches, 2 Pico remotes, and 2 wall plates. It has everything you need to get started with smart lighting. What we like. This smart dimmer switch kit seamlessly integrates with your smart home ecosystem, offering remote control and advanced features. It connects with more smart home devices than any other smart lighting control brand. If you like the convenience of smart home technology, this is the perfect solution to upgrade your lighting. What people say. These are an easy way to replace a regular switch, or add a new switch anywhere without new wiring. It was very easy to install, even for the 3-way switch. The included plate covers hide the screw holes, giving it a more modern and clean look. Number 2. LOTUS and WINDOWARE Cordless Vinyl Mini Blind. Introducing the LOTUS and WINDOWARE Cordless Mini Blind. This blind is designed for both home and office use. It offers a stylish and safe solution for your windows. This blind features 1-inch vinyl slats and a plastic headrail. The light filtering design provides privacy while still allowing some light to enter the room. It's a durable and affordable option. To ensure the best fit, measure your window's width in 3 places and record the narrowest measurement. The blind will be a ½ inch narrower than the ordered width. The height should be the longest measurement. This blind is suitable for both inside and outside mounting. For inside mounting, the window frame needs to be at least 1 inch deep. This allows for flexible installation options. The cordless design enhances safety for homes with kids and pets. It maintains a sleek and modern appearance. It's ideal for various applications, including home, door, and camper blinds. The blind comes with all necessary hardware and instructions for easy installation. It adds style and privacy to any room. It's perfect for living rooms, bedrooms, kitchens, and offices. Made of durable materials, this blind features light filtering PVC slats. It blocks out light and adds style to your home decor. A blind longer than your measurement will work, as it can be stopped at any position. What we like. The cordless design enhances safety, making it ideal for homes with children and pets. The light filtering slats provide privacy while still allowing some natural light to enter. If you are looking for a balance of safety, privacy, and style, this blind is a great choice. What people say. Easy to install. They are magnetic and stick to the metal frame of the windows. They are very easy to use. Number 1. H.VERSAILTEX Blackout French Door Curtain, 26 by 40, Stone Blue. This curtain comes as a single panel, with everything you need included. The package contains one panel, measuring 26 by 40 inches, and a free sticky strap. It's perfect for your patio or sliding glass doors. Installation is tool-free, and no curtain rod is needed. Simply follow the instructions to stick the straps to the door frame. You can hang it as a regular curtain or tie it up for a clear view. Made from high-quality polyester fabric with a black liner, this curtain blocks out 100% of sunlight and UV rays. It also reduces noise and provides complete privacy, ensuring a peaceful environment. These elegant door drapes feel soft to the touch and add a refreshing look to your glass door. Tie it up to let in diffused light, or let it down to reduce energy use and ensure full privacy. This blackout French door curtain is easy to clean. You can machine wash it in cold water with non-chlorine bleach when needed. Tumble dry on low and use a warm iron to remove any wrinkles. What we like. This curtain offers 100% blackout, ensuring complete privacy and light control. The easy installation means you can set it up quickly without any tools. If you like a dark room and a simple setup, this curtain is an excellent choice. What people say. Easy to install. They are magnetic and stick to the window frame. The blinds are great for blocking out the sun. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.